The Philippines has emerged as a global leader in the business process outsourcing industry, offering a wide range of services to companies worldwide. Among the diverse array of BPO services provided by Filipino firms, several stand out as particularly prominent and in demand. Call center services is perhaps the most well-known BPO service in the Philippines. Call centers handle customer inquiries, technical support, sales, and other communications via phone, email, or chat. With a large pool of English-proficient agents and a customer-oriented culture, Filipino call centers excel in providing high-quality service to clients across various industries. Information technology in the Philippines has rapidly become a preferred destination for IT outsourcing, offering services such as software development, application maintenance, help desk support, and system integration. Filipino IT professionals are known for their expertise in a wide range of technologies, including programming languages, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and data analytics. Finance and accounting outsourcing is another thriving sector in the Philippines, with firms providing bookkeeping, financial reporting, payroll processing, and other finance-related tasks. Companies benefit from cost savings, improved accuracy, and access to highly skilled accountants proficient in international accounting standards. Back-office operations BPO services encompass a variety of administrative functions, including data entry, document processing, human resources outsourcing, and procurement support. By outsourcing these non-core tasks to Philippine-based providers, organizations can streamline operations, reduce overhead costs, and focus on core business activities. Content moderation and digital marketing. With the rise of social media and e-commerce, there is a growing demand for content moderation, social media management, and digital marketing services. Filipino BPO firms specialize in managing online communities, moderating user-generated content, executing marketing campaigns, and enhancing brand visibility across digital platforms. Healthcare outsourcing in the Philippines is also making strides in healthcare BPO, offering medical transcription, billing and coding, telemedicine support, and healthcare analytics services to hospitals, clinics, and healthcare providers worldwide. In conclusion, the Philippines' BPO industry encompasses a wide spectrum of services, including call center operations, IT support, accounting, back-office functions, digital marketing, and healthcare outsourcing. With its skilled workforce, favorable business environment, and strong cultural affinity with Western markets, the Philippines continues to attract companies seeking reliable and cost-effective solutions to their outsourcing needs.